Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to crochet another super cute amigurumi. This is my bear and I call him Cuddles the bear. He's so soft and squishy and is about 17 inches from the tip of his ears till the bottom of his feet. So let's get started. So to make our bear, I'm going to be using Katupu Pure Viscose. This is this lovely yarn. It's almost like a rope and it's very soft. Here are the details of the yarn. If you see over here, the recommended hook size is 5 millimeters, but usually for amigurumi I always go down a size, so I'm going to be using a 4 millimeter hook for this project. You'll also need a pair of scissors, a yarn needle, some safety eyes, a stitch marker and some stuffing. So now let's get started with a magic ring. Hold your yarn in your fingers this way, twist it around and create an X. Insert your hook into the bottom, pull up the top and twist. And then pick up a loop. Once you're done with this, into this magic ring you're going to place 6 single crochets. So insert your hook, pick up a loop and pull through. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you're done with your 6 single crochets. Just take the tail end of your yarn and tuck the magic ring to close it. This is the end of round 1. Now we'll be working in spirals, so that's why for round 2 we'll be placing an increase on each stitch. That means 2 single crochets in every single crochet going all the way around. So in the first stitch we've got 2, in the next stitch again we've got 1, 2, in the one after that 1, 2, and you'll do this until you have 12 stitches for this row. Now at the end of this row, in order to keep track of your stitches, just take your stitch marker and place it on your last stitch or the 12th stitch. Now for row 3, we'll be placing 1 single crochet followed by an increase. That means in the first stitch we'll be placing 1, in the stitch after that 1, 2, in the one after that 1, in the one next to that 1 and 2, and you'll continue this until you have 18 stitches all the way around. Now for row 4, we'll be placing 2 single crochets, so 1 in the first one, 1 in the next one, and in the third stitch we'll be placing an increase. So 1, 2, 1 in the next one, 1 in the one after that, and then in the one after that 1 and 2. So you'll follow a pattern of 1, 1, 1, 2 all the way around until you have 24 stitches. Now for row number 5, we'll be doing 3 single crochets followed by an increase. So 1, 2, 3 single crochets in the first 3 stitches, and in the 4th stitch we have an increase, and you'll continue this pattern all the way around until you have 30 stitches. Now for round 6, we'll be placing 4 single crochets followed by an increase. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in the 5th stitch you have 1 and 2, and you will continue this all the way around until you have 36 stitches. Now for row 7, you're going to be placing 5 single crochets and an increase for a total of 42 stitches. Now for row number 8, you're going to place 6 single crochets followed by an increase for a total of 48 stitches. Now for row 9, we're going to place 7 single crochets followed by an increase for a total of 54 stitches. Now for row 10, we're going to do 8 single crochets followed by an increase for a total of 60 stitches. Now for row 11, we're going to do 9 single crochets followed by an increase for a total of 66 stitches. Now for row 12, you're going to place 10 single crochets followed by an increase for a total of 72 stitches. Now for row 13, you're going to do 23 single crochets followed by an increase for a total of 75 stitches. Now for rows 14 to 21, you're going to place 1 single crochet all the way around for 75 stitches per row. Now for row 22, we're going to do our first row of decreases. So we're going to do 23 single crochets followed by a decrease. So finish your 23 single crochets and then I'll show you how to decrease. So now that I've completed my 23 single crochets, in order to decrease, insert your hook into the first stitch, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, pull through all 3. Again, 23 single crochets. And now we decrease, so insert your hook into the first stitch, pull up a loop, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through all 3. Now you'll continue this one more time, so 23 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total all around of 72 stitches. Now for row 23, you're going to place 10 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 66 stitches. Now for row 24, you'll be placing 9 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 60 stitches. Now for row 25, we'll be placing 8 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 54 stitches. Now for row 26, we'll be placing 7 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 48 stitches. Now for row 27, we'll be placing 6 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 42 stitches. Now for row 28, we'll be placing 5 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 36 stitches. Now for row 29, we'll be placing 4 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 30 stitches. Now for row 30, we'll be doing 3 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 24 stitches. Now for row 31, you're going to place 2 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 18 stitches, and this is going to be the last row for your head. Now once you're done with your 18 stitches, leave a long tail and snip your yarn off, and you can just pull it through to fasten off. This completes the head of your bear. Now you can go ahead and stuff the head. We'll create the muzzle and then I'll show you how to do the eyes. So now for the muzzle, I followed rows 1 to 7 of the head pattern. So I started with a magic ring of 6 and then I went on until I had 42 single crochets all the way around. Now for the next 2 rows, you're just going to place 1 single crochet all the way around, and that will be the end of the muzzle. Now once you're done with the last row, just leave some tail for sewing in, cut off your yarn and fasten it off. And this completes the muzzle of your teddy bear. Now in order to get a perfect placement of the eyes, just stuff your head and then place the muzzle at the bottom of your head like this. Now mark out 2 spots on either side, and that's where you're going to be attaching the eyes. So you'll have one that goes right here, and then you count about 10 stitches, and the other one can go right here. So you can see how it looks, and you can change the placement of the eyes because depending on your yarn and the hook that you're using, your eye placement will be slightly different. Once you found the perfect placement for your eyes, you can just remove the muzzle, take the stuffing out, and then attach your safety eyes to the points that you've marked. So now in order to make the ears, start with row 1, which is a magic ring with 6 single crochets, and go until row 4 of the head. So until you reach 24 single crochets all the way around. Now for the next 4 rows, you're just going to place 1 single crochet all the way around. So now we can start working on the arms. Repeat rows 1 to 5 of the head. You'll start with a magic ring of 6 and then proceed until you have 30 single crochets. Now for rows 6 to 10, place 1 single crochet all the way around for 30 stitches per row. Now for row number 11, you're going to place 3 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 24 stitches. Now for row number 12, we'll be placing 2 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 18 stitches. Now for rows 13 to 15, place 1 single crochet all the way around for 18 stitches per row. Now for row 16, place 17 single crochets followed by a decrease on the last 2 stitches. Now for row 17, place 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, followed by 1 decrease, followed by 12 more single crochets. Now for row 18, place 7 single crochets, followed by a decrease, followed by 7 single crochets again. Now for row 19, place 10 single crochets, followed by 1 decrease, followed by 3 single crochets again. Now for row 20, place 12 single crochets, followed by a decrease on the last 2 stitches, so 1 decrease. Now for row 21, place 3 single crochets followed by a decrease followed by 8 single crochets. Now for row 22, place 5 single crochets followed by a decrease followed by 5 single crochets again. And for row 23, place 7 single crochets followed by a decrease followed by 2 single crochets, and this is your last line for the arms. Now once you're done with the arm, it should be in this shape. You can just snip your yarn off and leave a tail for sewing it in, and now you can go ahead and stuff this. You can use the back of your crochet hook to push the stuffing in case you're not able to reach it. Make sure you stuff this well. Now once you're done with the first arm, create a second one exactly like that and stuff it. Now to make the body of your bear, start with row 1 and go all the way until row 10 of the head pattern. So you're going to start with a magic ring of 6 and go all the way around until you have 60 stitches. Now for rows 11 to 19, place 1 single crochet all the way around for 60 stitches per row. Now for row number 20, we'll be placing 8 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 54 stitches. Now for row 21, we'll place 7 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 48 stitches. Now for row 22, we'll be placing 14 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 45 stitches. Now for row 23, we'll be placing 13 single crochets and a decrease for a total of 42 stitches. Now for row 24, place 12 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 39 stitches. Now for row number 25, we're going to place 11 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 36 stitches. Now for row 26, place 10 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 33 stitches. Now for row 27, place 9 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 30 stitches. Now for row number 28, place 3 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 24 stitches. And now for row 29, you're going to place 2 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 18 stitches. Now once you're done with this, you can just snip your yarn off and fasten off. And now go ahead and stuff the body. Now to make the legs of the bear, you're going to follow rows 1 through 8 of the head. So you're going to start with a magic ring of 6 and go all the way around until you have 48 stitches for row number 8. Now for rows 9 to 14, place 1 single crochet all the way around for 48 stitches per row. So now what I've done is I've just attached my blue yarn and I'm going to use that for the rest of the leg. For row number 15, you're going to place 6 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 42 stitches. Now for row number 16, place 5 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 36 stitches. Now for row number 17, place 4 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 30 stitches. Now for row 18, place 3 single crochets and 1 decrease for a total of 24 stitches. Now for row 19, place 2 single crochets followed by a decrease for a total of 18 stitches. Now for rows 20 to 22, place 1 single crochet all the way around for 18 stitches per row. Now for row 23, place 16 single crochets followed by 1 decrease for a total of 17 stitches. Now for row 24, place 3 single crochets followed by 1 decrease followed by 12 single crochets for a total of 16 stitches. Now for row 25, place 7 single crochets followed by 1 decrease followed by another 7 single crochets for a total of 15 stitches. Now for row 26, place 10 single crochets followed by a decrease followed by 3 single crochets for a total of 14 stitches. Now for row 27, place 5 single crochets, 1 decrease followed by another 5 single crochets and 1 decrease for a total of 12 stitches. Now for rows 28 to 30, place 1 single crochet all the way around for 12 stitches per row and then leave a long tail and fasten off. Now the last part of our bear is the tail. So you're going to start with a magic ring. And this time instead of 6, we're going to be doing 5 single crochets inside of this. Now you're going to place 1 increase all the way around. So that's 2 single crochets in each stitch for a total of 10. Now place 1 single crochet followed by an increase for a total of 15 stitches. Now place 1 single crochet all the way around for the next 3 rows and then fasten off. Now while assembling the bear, the first thing that we're going to do is work on the head. So as I told you before, just place your muzzle and then you can attach your safety eyes and stuff your head really well. Now you can take your ears and place them on either side over here and then attach your muzzle, but before you attach it, don't forget to stuff. Now once you're done attaching the muzzle, you can just embroider on a nose. So now that you're done embroidering on the face, this is how it looks. And now we're going to attach the body right here, the arms to the side, and then the legs in a sitting position. So when you're attaching the arms and legs, just fold the ends flat and then just sew it to your bear. And here's my cute little bear complete. I've sewed on all the different parts and I even attached the little tail at the back. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with all your friends. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.